Hey guys, Ed here. This is my dollar index analysis for the 16th of July 2012. Now I'm doing my analysis a little later today. Didn't manage to get it done prior to London Open this morning, so it doesn't matter. We still have a few hours of trading in the New York trading session, and also the overlap between um, London and New York is just about to start now. So it's a good time to do our analysis and get ourselves ready. Now, starting with the dollar index on the weekly chart, um, as I mentioned before, I like the 5 EMA being close to price, following price. If we are going to get some sort of a breakout move, and we are much closer to price this week than we were last week. So this just tells me that the chances of this breaking through this price breaking through this level of resistance this week is higher, so we have a better chance of breaking through this week than we did last week. And as you can see that, we tried to poke through, but sorry, we poked through, we didn't pop through fully. So we do have a better chance. Whether that happens this week, I don't know, but um, chances are increasing that we can do. So bear in mind that the stochastics on the weekly chart are close to the overbought zone. Um, it doesn't have to mean anything because they can stay within this zone for a while. Okay, so let's move on to the daily chart. Now the daily chart, uh, it's a bit clearer. My zone of resistance is clearly defined here, and it's between 84 and 84.20. This is where I'm expecting some serious resistance. And if we break through this resistance, then I don't see anything. I mean, it seems like a clear path up to the 85 zone. So that would probably mean a good 150 200 pip move on the euro. So move south on the euro. Um, what we do have in the stochastics is they are in the overbought area. So weekly and daily overbought. Like I said, they can stay overbought for a while. I mean, you can see in this zone here, uh, this time here, all this time while the market was trending, they stayed in the overbought. So that doesn't have to mean a lot, but it could be a signal that we are we might be close to a retracement. So let's move down to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, I mean, it immediately strikes me that the stochastics are in oversold territory, so expecting a bounce, which is conflicting with the daily and the weekly chart. Now, as you can see, I've got my two zones of strong resistance and strong support defined on this chart. I've also got a trend line which I drew, where I see price communicating with the trend line quite a few times. Let me just change the color of this. I see price communicating with this quite a few times, and there's no reason why we can't expect that to happen. At least some sort of a reaction of this price of this trend line once we do hit it again, and we have had that already. So you get the idea now. This helps me to just draw a level of support or resistance where I can expect some sort of a reaction that helps in my plans, whether that's to put a stop loss below or to plan a profit target, or at least a first profit target, just to scale my position. Now let's move on to the so this is what I would like to see. I would like to see price push up to the previous level of resistance from last week. So try to poke through the highs of last week, go into my level of resistance, and then we try and bring it back down. Now it is a Monday, of course. We have lower volatility on Mondays. Usually it's a ranging day. So this being a 4-hourly chart, it looks very unlikely that we're gonna get up there and back within this trading session, which is the the New York the New York London New York overlap. So by the time London closes, which is my trading time, which is another 4 hours away, it just seems unlikely they will get up there and then back down. So let's move down to the hourly chart. Now on the hourly chart, you can see the previous day's plans and the way they worked out. And this is my plan for this trading session. I would like to see price push up into at least the 83.80 area up to 83.70. So that's basically um, correlating with my 4 hour chart. So pushing into last week's last Friday's highs, and then we can push it back down to today's lows. So stochastic also is in the overbought zone, so we have a weekly, daily, and hourly confirming the same thing, and we'll see whether it's lying to us or or not. But I can see this happening today in this in the New York trading session. Now, one thing to be aware of is that we have a swing fib level, swing zone of resistance now, and price could just turn around and go back down from this level, because we are between the 50 and the 61. I like to take my shorts between the 50 and the 61.8 Fibonacci as a continuation down. So this is I'm not going to be taking that one. I will be waiting for a setup up to here, so up to 83.80 to have an attempt short, and that's what I am looking for today. So thank you for listening. Drop me a line or a comment, or follow me on Twitter if you'd like to know more, and I will see you later. Thank you.